All right, so here we are on page 2, and I'm looking at factoring x squared minus 17x plus 70. I need two numbers that add to give me negative 17, but multiply to give me 70. So that will be negative 10 and negative 7. And because it's just x squared at the front, I know that my brackets will have an x to start with, and then use those numbers, minus 10 and minus 7. To determine the x-intercepts, I have to let this equal 0 because the value of y at this line is 0, so that's why I'm going to let it equal 0. If that's true, then x minus 10 has to equal 0, or x minus 7 has to equal 0. One of them has to be 0. If that's true, then x equals 10 or x equals 7. To sketch this, I need to put a point at 7 and a point at 10. Those are the x-intercepts. The vertex will be halfway in between there. And then one more point I can use is the 70. So I'm going to put the 70 here. And then I can sort of sketch a graph. Sorry that this is really crappy, but there you go. So what happens if you're given the graph instead? We're going to look at the x-intercepts. So the x-intercepts happen here and here. So the x-intercepts are 4 and negative 3. That means factored form will be x minus 4 and x plus 3. To get standard form, I just need to use the arrows on these two binomials to expand, to multiply. So I'm going to go x times x is x squared, x times 3 is 3x. Doing the bottom arrows, minus 4 times x and minus 4 times 3. So my final answer then will be x squared minus x minus 12. This is standard form for this particular quadratic. Thank you.